In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a nickname to your Google profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then just go to google.com. Then log into your Google account. I did that before, but if you don't, here you will find sign in button. Just tap on that and then enter your login and password. And once you did that, just hit right there at your profile picture and then tap on manage your Google account. Then hit add personal info. And here you can scroll down for a bit and tap right there where it says name. And now here you are able to set a nickname for your profile. Just tap at that pen icon next to nickname. And here you can tap at that text field and then enter here anything that you want. And then hit on save to save the changes. Then it shows up display name as, and you can hit on that to select how your name will be displayed now, and you can switch between that three different options. I can select that one or some another option and then hit on save. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.